Hello everyone, my name is Ananya Srivastav and here we will learn how to connect to Astra Cassandra Cloud Database through our Java program. For this firstly we need to have Eclipse ready in our laptop. Then we will create a new Maven project like this. Once we are done creating the Maven project, we will go in pom.xml and we will add all the dependencies that is related for our database connection. Once done, we will add the necessary jar file in our workspace. Here I have added Cassandra driver core, and then we also need to follow some prerequisites for our connection. For this, we need to come in astra.datastacks.com, and here we need to follow these steps. So the first step is we need to download bundle by clicking here. I have already downloaded the bundle for the Java connection and kept it in my workspace. Then this step we don't need to follow because we already have our Maven project ready. Then we need to create an application token here. For this, we need to create the role. Here we'll select the administrator user role and generate token. Once that token is created, we will get the client ID and client secret. The client ID we need to add in our Java program here in the first field, and the client secret will be added in the second field here. After it is done, we need to specify the path where our bundle is placed. So this path is where my bundle is placed. So this path I will add it here. Okay. Then we need to add our key space. For key space creation, we need to go in our Astra database, create database. We need to give the database name, the key space. We need to select the region and then create database. For this assignment, I've already created my key space, so I won't be creating it again. Once created, we need to give the same name here. Okay. Now I need to add the jar file. For this, I will go in build path, configure build path. In libraries, add external jars. I've already added the jar file here, as you can see. Then apply and close. Once everything is ready, we will try running our project. But before that, I would also like to explain the bookkeeper.java. This is the class file for our functions. Here all the functions for creating the table, inserting of data in the table, altering the table and deletion of table is there. Right now I've commented all those functions. Once our session ID is created, I will uncomment the required functions and use it. So now running it. So here we got our unique ID generated. Now we will go in our console here and we will use our key space. Okay, so we can use our key space as it is created successfully and a connection is also established. Now we will create a table. So I will uncomment the create table and save these files and run it again. Now let me see. the tables are created. You can see here the table is created. But does it have anything inside? No, nothing is there. So now I will comment the create table and let's insert some data by uncommenting that function. So here I'll be adding Harry Potter, fantasy. Now I'm running. Okay. Now let's see if anything is there. Okay, sorry. Now yes, you can see here that Harry Potter title is added, some subject is there, and some ID is also there. So insertion success. We can see here the output came. Now we will update the data. We will add another column as publisher and let's see. We'll save the files and run it. You can see here after I ran, the publisher column is added. This is a new column that is inserted. Hence, our function ran properly. Now, I will uncomment all the books and let's see if deletion of table works here. Deletion of table will simply remove the book table from our database. Now, when we will do TSC tables, we cannot see any table. Even if we run select star from books, it's giving error because our table book is deleted. Once our table is deleted, we will go and delete our key space. For deleting our key space, we need to go in our book database. You can see the key space is written here. We need to click here, delete. We need to enter the name and finally click delete key space. So now you can see the key space is deleted. This brings us to the end of our assignment. Thank you so much for being patient and listening to me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.